An hour. Can you imagine that? And then finding out about this. Here, still with us, retired FBI Special Agent Jennifer Coffin-Daffer and attorney and former prosecutor Randolph Rice. Randolph, the sheer number of people willing to come into the courthouse, and you know it's not easy to go in front of people in a courtroom and a judge, but these people wanted to be heard. What does that tell you?
I mean, they didn't lined up like a Mardi Gras parade around the corner. I mean, you thought they were giving something away in the courthouse with the number of people that wanted to come in and tell the judge how Jamey Noel affected their life. And I don't think Jamey Noel knew the ripple effect of taking this money. I can tell you, I've represented a lot of clients who've been charged with theft schemes. And Ted, at the beginning of that theft scheme, it's always like the first dollar that, do a little bit here, and then it starts just to snowball. Well, this snowball ultimately had this horrible ripple effect that's affected so many people in real life situations. You weren't just taking money. What he was doing was he was preventing people from getting the care and the need to save lives. And that's where it really hits home with the community.
Yeah, Randolph was 15 enough in this case, and he gets to avoid the embarrassment for a guy like him. That's a big deal of trial and the details all of the time. To your point, it started with this and then it was this. It would have been eye-opening for the community.
Yeah, I took a consensus in our office among all of our criminal defense attorney team. They thought 15 was probably appropriate. Remember, he gets a couple years credit. Crocodile tears, he's certainly not thinking about the victims. He's thinking about himself and what he's going to have to face. It is a little tough, though. I'll say this, for the victims and the witnesses who came in and gave victim impact to make that connection, because there is a bit of a what if. Certainly an hour delay for an EMS is a long time, and it's sort of that what if, what would have changed. And I get that, and I think the judge was taking that in consideration. But look, Jamey Noel, he did this. He's paying the price, and he's gonna spend the next 15 years in prison every day thinking about what he took, and for what? To live a better life, to have an airplane. It's not worth it.
No, not at all. And yeah, and now, and again, reminder: his wife and daughter are coming up next year if they don't plea out. Jennifer Randolph, thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the Thanksgiving holiday coming up.